Ideology of MMM by Leoncia Rodriguez. MMM is a global mutual aid society. All participants are helping directly to each other. In this present and poorer world, most people around the world are in poverty situation because most of the country leaders are corrupt. We cannot deny that we are living in the slave society, that only rich people will control the lower class. Now, the ideology of MMM is to save and rescue the less fortunate people and experience happy life. By this system, people across the globe can reach the assistance through an internet by using Bitcoin transfer. I can say that this system is the answer of all our financial problems. MMM is the way to our financial revolution. Rich people. Rich people can buy anything they want. They can even print money every time. They can buy even our government officials for them to delete, dictate, and dominate the world. Rich people control our economy. They own all the expensive things in the world. They control all wages or salary to every workers all over the world. Rich people are really greedy. Poor people. Poor people really need assistance. They need help in our present situation all over the world. Many people suffer poverty because of every country's executed war in order to earn money. Poor people have no shelter. They need food every day. Poor people have no justice because they were abandoned by our governments. Why MMM? MMM is the way to our solution to every daily lives. MMM gives us a wonderful life. We are not obliged to work, and because there is a community that will help you. This is the way that binds all people around the world. This is the biggest opportunity that Sergey Mavrodi shared to us. So let us grab this. This is a very unique system that will really change the world. There is no boss in MMM. All participants are equal. MMM will not make you rich, but it will lead you to a better life that you've not experienced before. Founder of MMM, Sergey Mavrodi. A genius programmer of Russia, he has a degree in math, creator of the system, former deputy of state of Duma. He was born on August 11, 1955 in Russia. MMM uses Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a consensus network that enables a new payment system and a completely digital money. It is the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network that is powered by its users with no central authority or middleman. From a user perspective, Bitcoin is pretty much like cash for the internet. Bitcoin can also be seen as the most permanent triple entry bookkeeping system in existence. The mechanics of MMM. Participants must know rules and the system well. Next, all must contribute with their spare money only. Know the warnings and the risks before making any donations or request to provide help. Managers will guide new participants in registering MMM. There is no central bank account in this system. Every participant has their own wallet of Bitcoin where every donation will be put. When participant needs help, this participant can request to get help to the community directly to the providers. Participants can redonate or contribute again anytime they want. To join MMM, community is really very simple. MMM benefits. 30% Mavro growth per month compounded. 20% up to 100% Mavro growth per month for MMM Extra. $20, $50, and $100 bonuses for first contribution. Plus referral bonus for every participant you invited. Lottery every week. Join the community now. Let us change the world. Together we can change the world.